Hi, in this video we will talk about slicing lists in Python. Recall that each element in a list is associated with an index. So let's say we have a list called animals, and the elements in this list are cat, dog, fish, and pig. The index of cat is 0, the index of dog is 1, the index of fish is 2, and the index of pig is 3. To get a sublist from the list, we would write list name, beginning index, end index. It's important to know that the beginning index is included and the end index is not, just like the range function. For example, animals 0:3 gives us cat, dog, and fish. And here's how it would look like in code. Thanks for your time. I hope this video helped you out, and be sure to watch the next one.